Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Burg Wachter Delta 66040, made of stainless steel as it says there, and this was sent to me kindly by Daz Evers, who hopefully you'll all know is an excellent lockpicker and lockpick maker. And this lock has a bit of a lesson to it. You can see the bitting there, 5 pins, a low-ish cut, I'd say medium-low cut in position 1, and then some really high cuts going up to the maximum height, I believe, in pins 4 and 5 here. Why is that an issue? Well, it's an issue because of the keyway. Let's have a look at the keyway. And you can see that it's really zigzaggy. It's paracentric. You can't pick from the bottom and get a pick through to the top. This is 20 thousandths as well. What you can do is you can pick through the warding. So you see this warding here, you can actually pick through to pick, there you go, see you're picking pin number 1 through the warding. And you can do that all the way to the back. The problem is that a short hook like this, although it goes in and out of the lock pretty easily, won't reach the back pins to height. So I guess you could use something like a 20 thousandths medium hook. The problem is that it's just a little bit too big and tends to butt up against the pins and means it's really sort of hard to get in. And then once you do get in, it's hard to sort of angle it round and get under the right pins. It's horrible. So it got me thinking, is there another way I could approach this? So I thought, well, maybe if I use a very thin shanked pick like this Southall Max 07B, could I pick off this warding here? The trick would be that if I did, would I overset the lower cut pins? Well, that's the technique I used. I had some success, so I'm going to grab a vise and see if I can replicate it for you now. So we're in the vise. Just remind you of the key. I'm going to put the tension tool in but not put tension on. Take our slim shanked pick, put it in and just locate the last pin and put some tension on, and then pull it back through, and if we feel anything that's resisting, press it up. Another click there and a click in the middle. So that was pin, I think 3, then 5, and then possibly 2 or 4. The pick shank must have accidentally picked one of the other pins. So I think in this lock we went in, we picked I think 3 to begin with, probably picked 2, went back to 5 and then tickled 4 and we got an open. That's the way I think it worked. And it just shows that the bitting can have a really big effect on where you would pick this lock. And I have to say I probably spent half an hour just trying different attack methods before I decided to try this ledge here, this picking off this top warding, because I just thought I'd overset it, so that's why I didn't try. So it just goes to show, doesn't it, how even the most basic of little padlocks like this can sometimes give you a bit of a run around, and I guess that's part of the fun of the hobby. Anyway, if you like this video, please do leave a like. If you have a comment about this lock, whether you have bittings that are very similar that have caused you trouble and how you got over it, yeah, just leave me a comment. I'll read them all. I reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel or Daz's, please do. It helps us out an awful lot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.